pleasure to be the first to welcome you to Madison, Wisconsin. The current local time here is approximately 2:40 p.m. We'll be taxiing the gate now for a couple more minutes. Please remain seated with those seatbelts fastened until the captain brings the aircraft to a complete stop at the gate, turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. You can now use your mobile devices in a regular transmitting mode while we taxi to the gate. Exercise caution when opening overhead bins as contents may have shifted during the flight and items could fall out. If you're sitting in the exit row, please don't plug any devices into the power outlets at this time. Once we are at the gate, we'll be greeted by a United agent. They'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have in regards to baggage claim handling and ground transportation. So take this last opportunity to make sure you've collected all personal belongings out of those seatback pockets, such as cell phones, pagers, wallets, car keys, anything of that nature. We don't want to leave anything behind. Once you do exit the aircraft today, you'll no longer be allowed to re-enter for security purposes. On behalf of our captain, first officer, our entire Star Alliance partners, and the San Francisco-based flight crew, we'd like to thank you so much for flying with us today. We do know you have many choices in air travel. We sincerely appreciate your business here at United. We hope the next time your travel plans call for air travel, you'll once again think of us and choose us here at United Airlines. Have a great time here in the Madison area. This is where I grew up. It's a great town. Never been here. Hope you enjoy it. It's a little cold, so bundle up. Have a great holiday season and a great rest of your week. So long.